Hey tech lovers, OpenAI just dropped a game changer. Imagine a world where your AI assistant can not only chat with you, but also understand and interact with real-time video. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's now a reality. ChatGPT can now understand real-time video. This means you can point your phone at anything, and ChatGPT will analyze it instantly. Whether it's identifying objects, reading text, or even recognizing faces, the possibilities are endless. Yep, you heard that right. This is not just a minor update, it's a revolutionary leap in AI capabilities. Imagine the convenience and the new ways you can interact with technology. 7 months after teasing us, it's finally here. The anticipation has been building, and now we can finally experience it firsthand. The wait was definitely worth it. With advanced voice mode with vision, you can interact with your surroundings in a whole new way. It's like having a personal assistant who can see and understand the world just like you do. You can point your phone at objects, and ChatGPT will provide you with detailed information, suggestions, and even help you make decisions. It's like having a knowledgeable friend with you at all times. And ChatGPT will analyze and respond in near real time. This means no more waiting for answers. Whether you're shopping, traveling, or just curious about something, ChatGPT has got you covered. It can even understand what's on your screen during screen sharing. Perfect for explaining settings or solving tricky math problems. Imagine the ease of troubleshooting tech issues or getting help with homework. Perfect for explaining settings or solving tricky math problems. This feature is a game changer for students, professionals, and anyone who needs quick, reliable assistance. In a demo, it quizzed Anderson Cooper on anatomy as he drew body parts. This shows the potential for educational applications, making learning more interactive and engaging, though it did slip up on a geometry problem, so there's still room for improvement. But hey, even the best technology has its hiccups. The important thing is that it's constantly learning and evolving. Here's how you try it. Tap the voice icon, then the video icon. Boom, you're live. It's that simple. No complicated setup, just instant access to this groundbreaking feature. Then the video icon, boom, you're live. This seamless integration makes it easy for anyone to start using it right away. Whether you're tech savvy or not, you'll find it incredibly user-friendly. And don't miss the festive Santa mode with a jolly Santa voice, perfect for the holiday season. It's a fun way to add some cheer to your interactions. Find it under the snowflake icon. This little touch adds a bit of magic to your everyday tech use, making it more enjoyable and festive. Rollout starts now for ChatGPT Plus, Team, and Pro users. So if you're subscribed to any of these plans, you can start exploring this feature right away. It's an exciting time to be a part of the ChatGPT community. Enterprise and EDU users, hold tight till January. Your turn is coming soon, and it's going to be worth the wait. The educational and professional applications of this feature are immense. EU users, still no date yet, but rest assured it's on the way. The rollout is happening in phases to ensure everything works smoothly. Rivals like Google are racing to catch up, but OpenAI is taking the lead. This is a significant milestone in the AI race, and it's exciting to see how the competition will respond. But OpenAI is taking the lead. This innovation sets a new standard for what AI can do, pushing the boundaries of technology and opening up new possibilities. Is this the future of AI? It certainly looks like it. The integration of real-time video understanding is a huge step forward, and it will be fascinating to see how this technology evolves. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about this new feature? How do you plan to use it? Share your thoughts and let's discuss the future of AI together.